Okay, so hello my friend. Uh, this is the particular indicator I am talking about. I'll just show it to you. That is Gann by JourneyToWealth Turkish stocks. So this indicator, how to use this particular indicator, I'll be telling you about like the Turkish stocks first. So what I'll do is I'll simply add up over here Mavi, the stock which you told me to look for. Okay, now once we are here in this particular section, okay, you can select a time frame according to your choice, but what I'll recommend is to keep a higher time frame of 30 minutes or 1 hour or 15 minutes can also do. I'll generally recommend you to focus on 15 minutes and 30 minutes more of. Okay, so what we have to do when we find a trade setup, or when we find that there is one particular trade going on. Okay, now the first target, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to look at what has the price done. So over here now, as we can see that the price has given a clear breakout, then price came near to this level to retest it. Okay, so this particular section over here is a no trade zone. Okay, the orange highlighted part is the no trade zone, and once we are above this level, we are crossing above this level, what we have to do is we have to wait for price to retrace at this particular level. Near or less is fine, but near to this level we need a retracement, and once we get that retracement, we have to just keep our stop losses over here, and our target will be the red line. Okay, now this is a very huge target, to be honest. So there are two targets which we have to keep. This is our first target, the yellow line. Okay, and this is our second target. Generally this target, the second one, is achieved, okay, easily. Like within a day or two, the second target is achieved easily. Now what if price goes till this particular level, the red level, okay, like this level, crosses it and then comes back in? So if that is the case, then we have to get out of the market immediately. Okay, booking small profits, but we have to come out of the market booking the small profits. But if the case is different, like I'll just draw it in another way. If the price goes up, retraces, and then moves ahead, this is what we are expecting to happen once the Gann level is breached, once the Gann level is broken. Okay, now this is how to use this particular type of indicator, and we can simply just change to any other stocks. Okay, I'll just we can go for the index as well, as you can see. Okay, so this is an indices which we are looking for prices above 2000. Okay, for prices about 2000 liras, the Gann levels works differently. Right now, as this is an index, here the Gann levels will work differently. Okay, so how to identify a trend and how to place a trade with this particular type of setup? Okay, so now over here what we need is we need another indicator, that is this ultimate tool. Now this pink color line over here, which you can see clearly, this is a Gann timeline. Now this line, I have kept it in a different indicator, and that's my most commonly used indicator for my every stuff like forex and everything. But as you can see, the price, once it breaks the levels, okay, then price is respecting this particular line a lot. Okay, now over here in this particular trade setup for higher prices or for trading indices, what we need is we need a candle which is closing above the blue colored lines. Now these blue levels are considered to be the time zone levels. Okay, so if we get a candle, clear candle, which is closing above this blue colored line, we are supposed to wait to make an entry. Now where to make an entry? We are supposed to wait to make an entry when the price is coming back to this blue line. So here when the price came back to the blue line, our target will be the second and then the third blue level. So third blue level is our target, and the stop loss will be placed near to the previous swing low. Now as you can see, the previous swing low was over here. Okay, so our stops will be placed near to the bottom of this previous swing low. Okay, or below the purple colored line. And then this is how we are supposed to place the trade and wait till the level is met, the target is met. As we can see right now, this trade was active on 6th of Feb. Then in 6th of Feb it went in little bit of drawdown, then it came back up, and now it is going in profits. On 8th of Feb it is in a very nice huge profit. Okay, and as we can see, the level, the pink color line, is gone up, right? So this is a point where we can make our stop loss, like the last level where the pink line was stable for a time period. We will just put our stop losses at that particular place. Like here the line was bit stable for some time, this is the place, so we are going to put our stop losses just below it. Okay, so this is how to use this particular indicator. And obviously for trading indices, this Gann line is very useful for me, and this Gann line is a whole set of indicators. Like we have the buy zone, we have buy and sell signals, so based on those signals as well we can place the trades and we can get good results. Okay, and over here in this particular indicator we have reversal signals as well. So suppose from a point where the market is going to reverse, we can simply understand that okay, here this is a point where the market reverses and we can just catch on the move. Okay, so that's all for the video. Sorry for the delay, my friend, to publish the video. I was a bit busy with my personal life, and thus I was not being able to get that time. Okay, thank you.